ang payat mo na, hindi kita nakilala. Sino ka nga? Twinkie, inhale. Exhale. Ang baho. Doc Gigi is one of the richest dentist in Pae. Kaya close ako sa kanya eh. Baka nalog ko sa kanya. Sana naman lang may stopover, di ba? McDonald's, di ba? Burger, crispy pata, adobo, sinigang, rice, mga 3 cups. Good morning guys, welcome back again to my vlog. Today is a beautiful Monday morning here in Portugal. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's explore the day. Come with me. Now we are exploring the city of Porto, Portugal. Ayan. It's a combination of new and old structures.
Like Gonzalo or Pedro or Joanes, Croft, Newport, Sandman,
So it's a beautiful day today. Malamig kasi himoy ng hangin ngayon. Ang aming group, the Pied People. Oh, yung ganda ng structure, oh. So nakakatuwa yung mga buildings dito, yung mga establishments, oh. Very vintage here in Porto. Ayan, kuha tayo ng video. Yee! Ang ganda. Ang dami ring turista. Oh, look at this structure. It's really old. So, pumasok tayo dito. Ano meron dito, Doc?
Pila.
So, we're gonna go in.
Dito na. Dito po.
What can we see here? Oh, we're going up the tower to see the view.
Balik daw, balik.
Bakit, Doc?
Ewan ko, sabay-sabay doon tayo.
The beauties.
With one earring loss.
Nasaan na, Doc, yung earring mo?
Yun na nga eh.
Is it real?
May nakita kayong earring ah.
Totoo ba yun?
Ha?
Totoo?
Eh di nagka-allergy na ako.
Sabihin mo na-allergy ka to kaya balik niya. Balik.
Kamusta, Gigi? Uy, ang payat mo na, hindi kita nakilala. Sino ka nga? This is Doc Gigi. Before? Before.
Ano agenda? Wow, RDM talaga dito.
This is before we come up the stairs, the 200 steps. Let's check kung sino makakasurvive.
Challenge.
Ngayon, mga fresh pa. Mga fresh pa
It's a
isip.
challenge.
This is nice. Solid wood, oh, yung table. Oh, we're going up. You can see Padre Damaso. And that's our leopard queen. Rawr. I'm tired. Grabe. Twinkie, inhale. Exhale. Ang baho. Gonzo, can you go up and show us na lang the pictures and videos?
Yes, sure. Actually, if you go on YouTube, I don't even need to go up. You can see on YouTube, you say the money of the
This is experience.
Inhale.
So,
Exhale.
Hindi ako bad guy.
So, ayan, masyadong maliit yung space going up. Ang sarap, ang lamig.
Yum, yum.
So, Doc V,
Yes.
are you enjoying?
Yes, so far. I'm not sure later.
View
The view.
of the city.
Rooftop.
Nice. Nice view. Going up.
O, tayo.
Ano kaya tayo? Buti na lang malamig yung simoy ng hangin dito. Huwag lang uutot. Oh my God. This will be suffocating.
Hi. Medyo mahirap na.
Inhale, Doc B. Exhale. Oh my God. So this is
This is the
the end of the staircase.
This is it?
Yes, so easy.
This is 100. I
Best view here. If you want to stay in this stage, it's okay, but the best view is up. Just don't stop here because other people is coming.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Go. If we go together, you don't want to come down.
Ah, meron pa pala. Konti. View from the top.
Tingnan kung gusto pa po dyan.
Yeah. This is the view from the top of the tower. Ganda oh. There. Kita yung river. And the busy streets down. So this is the city. There. O ayan, pababa na tayo. Well, kinaya naman natin. Of course, hindi natin pwedeng ma-miss yung view sa taas. Hindi tayo pwedeng magpaiwan sa baba. So, exit, thank you. So at last, we are here. Downstairs. So this is the tower na inakyat namin. So this is the exit. Of course, hindi mawawala ang souvenir shops. There. Hindi mawawala. Let's see what they have to offer us. So meron ako dating ganito eh. Hindi ko matanda kung saan ko nabili. From Portugal pala siya. So ano meron dito? Oh. I think this is a museum. Ayan oh. I think these are silver. May chalice, may ciborium, may incense holder, cruets, of course the bell. I think these are from the old church. Crown of the Blessed Virgin. Yeah. And saints. So, baby Jesus, I think this is made of ivory. Yan oh, ang gaganda ng mga paintings oh. I think mga dating parish priest. I think this is another ivory. Let's check kung ano pang meron dito. Oh, I think walang exit dito. Oh, this is the old church, I think. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice, oh. Oh, nice. So, Lord Jesus.
Oo, tara mag-rest tayo.
So, this is how they look like after. Mga fresh pa naman.
Ay, alauna na. Isang tore pa lang na po.
Parang mga daing danggit.
May coffee.
So, nandito kami sa park ngayon. Still, nasa city tour kami. Walking tour of the city. Oh, another celebrity spotted again.
Yes, another one.
Yeah. That's DNG. Donna in Geneva.
Daddy, picture dito.
Oh, nice. Fountain. We're in a plaza. A small plaza here in Porto, Portugal. Ay, ang cute. May mga kalapating naliligo sa taas. Oh. Siguro nainitan sila. Ayan. May session yung mga kalapate. Oh, may nagba-violin, no? Shops and tourists.
C'est énorme. Comme ça, j'ai tout.
Ano kaya meron doon? Siguro may ano, may ayuda.
May artist.
Oops! Huwag kang tutuwad basta-basta. Delikado. Vista Alegre. Ang ganda. Pababa, oh, yung street. Oh. Yung mga pastries, egg tarts, ano naman.
You're in busy area. Be careful with your.
This is a busy area. So, ingat sa mga pickpockets.
Akala ko it's because it's not.
So, another beautiful building here in Porto. Grabe oh, yung design nila and structure very intricate oh. Nice. So, tawid tayo ngayon. Let's cross. Let's cross the road. Oh, ang ganda ng building dito. Yan. Na-preserve talaga nila yung design. Hindi lang siya plain flat. That's considered one of the most beautiful McDonald's. Kasi yung nasa vintage building.
Very good see.
Oh, may doggy! Ang cute! Hello!
Waging.
Whitey! Whitey! So here to my...
Yeah, that's the word Porto.
Ayan, Porto.
Yes. I think we should have Porto sis.
Ayan.
On each side, on each side. Yan, turo.
So may mga souvenir shops again. Kaya lang nagmamadali tayo. Ano yung mga bracelets?
Yung bookmark, oh.
€1. Ha? So, another souvenir shop. Kaya lang wala pa kaming time ngayon mamili. So, lakad lang. Sana guys, mapuntahan nyo rin to. Medyo masarap ang panahon kasi malamig. Pero matindi rin yung sikat ng araw. Pero hindi mo na mapapansin yung init kasi maganda yung makikita mo rito. Bago sa paningin, sana ganito rin ang Pilipinas. Diba, Doc Gigi?
Yeah.
Doc Gigi is one of the richest dentist in Paed. Kaya close ako sa kanya eh. Wala nang love ko sa kanya. So, Leica, camera, lenses,
Kind of 15,000 euro.
projector, watch. So, Leica. Nice. Grabe. Sana someday I can afford. I'll be able to afford these lenses and cameras from Leica. So, red tuk-tuks. So, Doc Twinkie, are you tired?
Super.
Super. Hindi pa ba tayo kakain?
Kain na tayo.
Oo nga. Sana naman lang may stopover, di ba?
Oo. Hindi tuloy-tuloy.
McDonald's, di ba? Burger, crispy pata, adobo, sinigang, rice, mga 3 cups, and Coke. We're now here at the train station. So, ito yung kanilang train station here in Porto. Yan o. Ang daming mga passengers. Nice. Train station. So, ito ang kanilang train station. Ano yun yung mga trains? Yan. They have this small sari-sari store at the train station. There. Ganda. Oh, mga cute oh. Meron silang Rabello Duck, Porto Duck Store. Ang cute. Rua Tareja, Vaz de Altaro. There. Ganda. Yun. For the tourists. Church ba to?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a church. Cathedral. It's a cathedral. Cathedral. So, ayan. This is another view of the city of Porto. Grabe ang ano nila rito, tourism industry.
Ayan yung kung dinadala nila ng mga port wines.
Oh.
Port.
So this will be our lunch for today. Another buffet. Another buffet for today. Josh, okay ka lang? Ayan ang aming lunch. Roast squid.
What is this? Parang masarap.
I think it's salmon.
Salmon?
Big salmon. ribs, sausage, barbecue, sarap. Pwede rin magpaluto. Yan, seafoods, lots of seafoods and meats. Nice. Grabe. Paano tayo magda-diet nito? Paano tayo magda-diet nito? Oh my God. Japanese.
Oh, Japanese thingy.
Japanese food. So this is our lunch for today. Ito muna. Tingnan natin kung kaya nating ubusin. So ayan, papunta dun sa may port area.
3,
Punta sa river.
2.
Wow, ang ganda. Look at this one. Look at this one. So, doon, punta tayo ron. Ganda oh. Wow, this spot is really fabulous. Amazing. Ganda, ganda dito oh. May mga boats oh na old style. So may ano, may gondola. And the bridge. So some tourists chilling. Gustong-gusto na yung araw. Pero tayo mga Asians, ayaw ng araw. Ang ganda dito. Yan. Yung mga kasamahan ko busy mag-picture taking.
Tayo mag-group photo.
So nandito kami ngayon ni Doc Donna, mag-river ride kami. So ano Doc Donna? Ano Donna kapatid?
Enjoy! Join us! Come on!
Maaraw.
Super init!
Ayan, look at the boats.
Portugal.
Look at the boats. Mainit. Yung mga foreigner makikita mo, gustong-gusto na lang yung araw, di ba?
Gusto nilang mangitim.
Tayo mga Asians, ayaw. Ayan. Train sa ibabaw dun. So, ayan. Tayo sa port area. Puro restaurants dito kasi nandito ang Center of Tourism. May train. So ayan, nakapila kami dito for the boat ride. There. Mamimirins ka, why? Josh.
Mamaya.
So, may mga tourist din na nagtatapon ng basura. Oops, may kalapate! Ooh! Doc Abe, are you enjoying?
Very enjoying.
Very enjoyment.
Don't worry. Here,
We will vlog.
outside the Philippines,
You know, the English here
we
in
are not
Porto is
we are
very
not care.
enjoyable. You know,
Do you speak English, Doc Gigi?
We're not care.
this Portoing.
The boat is open.
Pati namin yun, alika na.
We're now gonna ride the boat. Yan. Dito na tayo sa boat. Yuhuu! So, pili tayo ng mas maganda. Mas mainit dito sa... Actually, mainit din sa loob. we are here at the
Yes.
boat ride. Kaway kayo, mga girls, mga ladies. So, ang ganda ng bridge. Nice. Ito, hindi ito ghost project. Kasi maganda eh. Oh. Walang ghost project dito.
Mga flood control nila
Hindi siya substandard.
Kaway, mga ladies and gentlemen.
Hindi siya.
Ay, salamat. It's another boat. Nice.
Di ba mga kabarkada mo sila? Sila Steve ba? Kabarkada mo?
Oo nga, si Abby. Si Abby, naging kaibigan kami niyan sa ortho class, tsaka sa choir. So, ayan. That's the village. The old village. Looks very vintage. Oh, may nag-speedboat.
Taxi driver na gano'n.
And my cable car. So, ayan. Tapos na yung boat ride natin. Yes. Pero sobrang init. Maganda sana kaya na sobrang init. Ayan, here's our boat. So we are now crossing the bridge to go to the other side. Ang ganda ng bridge. Ayan. Ayan, dyan kami sumakay. Oh, ito na yung dulo ng bridge. Ayan. Oh, look at this cliff. May tumatalon kaya dyan. Doc Tin, okay ka pa? There's another bridge on top. Ito. Oh, ayun yung dinadaanan ng train kanina. Our guide, Mr. Gonzalvo.
How are you
Gonzo.
guys? I hope you're having fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. So, ayan ang cable car. Ayan ang cable car. Euros. Thank you very much. 20 euros. Ay, ito ang gaganda ng mga boats. Parang mga pang-galleon. Oh, and then my speedboat. Wala. Wala, nag-exhibition. Baka alam na kinukuhanan siya kaya nag-exhibition. Joke lang. Nice, ang ganda oh. Nice. So that's sausage and flame. Ah, mukhang masarap oh. Ito lang niluluto oh. Wow. So yeah, kanya-kanyang kuha. We'll be having our wine tasting here. And, barrels of wine.
Alright, so 22. You can get inside.
So, ayan. Burmester wine. Ayan. So, punta raw tayo ron. Ay tinatawag ng mga kasamahan natin.
Welcome to the cellar Burmeister. So we'll be talking
Burmeister
a little
pala.
bit about the history of the cellar, the history of port wine, and how we can produce port wine. The best
So, wine tasting. Sarap, matamis.
This wine, which will be always in the digestive.
Matamis, sarap. This is the red wine. Tignan natin. This is the red wine. Tignan natin.
Wine, wine, wine.
Matamis din.
Sweet, sweet. I don't like. It's too sweet.
The wine we tasted here in Burmeister. So, dito na kami ngayon. I think dito na kami magdi-dinner. Doc Jun, saan tayo? Sa taas? So, sa taas nga. Kaya tayo. Yan. Grabe, nakakapagod yung ginawa namin ngayong araw. Puro lakad. Tapos sobrang init. Pero malamig ang hangin.
Hello, hello.
So tired.
Welcome. Tired? No, we're just starting. Come on.
But it's fun.
Yeah, that's good. Now we are going for
To-
dinner with a view.
Yes.
So there is Coca-Cola.
So this will be our dinner place for tonight. Pinagagawa niyo ako. So we will have dinner by the bay. Ang ganda ng lights sa bridge. I hope guys na makapunta rin kayo rito sa Portugal. It's really a beautiful place, a beautiful tourist destination. Talagang mag-e-enjoy kayo. See that view. So ito yung aming group. This is a very cozy restaurant. So this is our dinner for tonight. Chicken, shrimp, crabs, and pork.
The surprise with egg and have some tourists.
This one, I don't know what this is. So ayan guys, we just had our dinner. Yung sinerve kanina yung pinakita ko sa video, appetizer pa lang pala yun. So binanata namin yung appetizer. Akala namin yun na yun. So may sinerve pang chicken, codfish. So hindi na namin masyado nakain. Hindi ko na rin na-videohan, sorry. So now, pauwi na kami sa hotel. Pabalik na.
Ayun.
And here, merong cannabis shop. Ayan o, cannabis shop. So we're back in our hotel room. So we're back in our hotel. We're back. Merong water dito kasi walang water sa room. So, good morning guys. This is our second day exploring the city of Porto. Hindi natapos in one day. So, karamihan sa amin pagod na. May ibang nagpaiwan sa bus. Yung mga ayaw na maglakad. So, kami laban pa rin.
Hi! Good morning! Bon dia!
Bundi, si Aida, si Lorna, and si Pe.
Ano to? 130 euros out of,
Medyo malamig ngayong araw.
tapos 27
Kaya lahat kami naka-jacket.
there now. So,
There.
32.
So today is 16 degrees at 9:30 in the morning here in Gaia, Porto, Portugal. Lakad tayo rito and let's check kung ano meron behind that wall.
Sandali lang. Basag grip kayo eh.
Ito yung start ng cable car. Ayan o. Yun. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa bridge. Sabi. Bridge na may rail track. Ano, puntahan din to ng mga tourist eh. Yan, tulad niya, may tour guide. Mukhang hinahanap niya yung mga kasama niya. Ito pa. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa bridge. Ayan o. Kita niyo yung mga boats. Yes. Yan. At the other side may bridge din dun. It's the other side of the bridge. Yan o, yung tulay. May isa pang tulay doon. Ganda. May paparating na train. Yeah, there. Yun. Meron sila rito ang info and maps, boat tours. There. Oh, ang cute ng building na to. Ng establishment na to. Very aesthetic. Oh, ang cute ng pusa. Ming 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 ming. Ming 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 ming. Ming 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 ming. Ming ming.
Let him smell, let him smell.
Me me me. Me 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 me.
But you can turn, okay?
So, nandito tayo ngayon. Uy, ang cute ng sasakyan. So, this is another tourist spot here in Porto. Mainit dahil naglalakad, pero malamig pa rin yung hangin. It's 18 degrees now. Oh, may bilihan din dito ng Eco shoes, oh. Eco brand. It's 20%. Kaya lang hindi ko siya brand eh. This is the famous cafe where Harry Potter was written by J.K. Rowling. You know Harry Potter? So that's the famous cafe where Harry Potter was written. Harry Potter was written by J.K. Rowling. So ayan. We're still walking the town of Porto, the city of Porto. What can we see inside? Yan, nandito kami ngayon sa market. Marami yata mabibili dito like snacks. So tingin ko dito na rin yata kami magla-lunch. Ayan, marami nang umupo lang sila sa hagdan. Diyan na sila kumakain. Parang wala yata mga tables and chairs. Oh, nice.
See you at 12.
At there on the
Sina Doc Ave. So we are on our way now to the airport.
Yeah, last walk.
Going to Italy. Goodbye, Portugal. So, what can you say about Portugal?
Bon dia.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Ano ba?
Mali.
Agua bendita.
Obrigado.
Malay ko sa inyo.
Let's go.
So I guess this is it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed Portugal, specifically this city of Porto. See you on my next video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you Italy in a bit. Bye.